Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm going to talk to you about how to strengthen your hair. The number one reason why hair loses its strength is through chemical services. Now, this mannequin's hair has been bleached, and we've bleached it up so light that in some spots it's actually broken off, which I have seen in the salon. Once that happens, it's pretty much gone. You just have to wait for it to grow back. But if it's still there and it's still fairly strong, in other words, when it's wet, if you can still pull it and it's not snapping off or it doesn't feel like spaghetti in your hands, then it's savable. The best way to do that is to get deep treatments. You can get them either at the salon or you can do them at home. I kind of recommend a mix of the two because what you can get done in the salon tends to be a lot more intense, and then you can maintain those results at home. I highly recommend the Redken Chemistry System treatments. They are excellent for actually putting in shots of protein, anti-frizz, shine, everything into your hair, and then it's locked in with a pH fixer. Other great things that you can use at home are strengthening shampoos. There's entire lines, like this one by Warren Tricomi, that has a shampoo, a conditioner, and an actual strengthener, and this is for all hair types. Another one I like is the Schwarzkopf Hair Rescue Conditioner. What these have is both protein and moisture. If you're needing just protein, then you need to look for something that specifically talks about just a protein-based shampoo and conditioner. For example, the K-Pack or the Redken Extreme line is excellent. You want to make sure that you get both a shampoo and conditioner and a treatment that you can use probably about once a week. And you're going to want to do that for at least a month before you consider doing any other chemical services, whether they be corrective or to maintain the look. If you have any other questions, just go to your nearest salon and they'll be able to help you with that.